In a world where renewable energy is key, a monumental stride has been made. The University of Ottawa, alongside partners from Canada and France, have achieved a breakthrough in solar technology. They've successfully produced the world's first back-contact micrometric photovoltaic cells. These cells are marvelous, being only twice the thickness of a single strand of hair. They promise to significantly reduce shadowing caused by electrodes by a staggering 95%. This could potentially lower energy production costs by up to 3 times. The implications of this innovation are vast, from miniaturization in electronic devices to applications in solar cells, lightweight nuclear batteries for space exploration and telecommunications. The possibilities are boundless. This project, funded by various research organizations, marks a historic step in the global scientific and technological landscape. It's a leap towards a future where solar energy is not only more efficient, but also more cost-effective. This is more than just a scientific achievement. It's a beacon of hope for a brighter, more sustainable future.